Hey guys, today we are going to look at the very first part of our The Game of Life personal budget portfolio. Hopefully you had a chance to study the Quizlet vocab words so you kind of know what's going on throughout these next couple of weeks. So basically you are going to be using your grades to figure out what degree you get, and then that's going to tell you the job and your income. Then based on your income, you're going to figure out your federal tax, state tax. You're going to figure out things that get taken out of your paycheck, such as Social Security, Medicare, retirement. You're also going to look at insurance, student loans, apartments, cars, and then your monthly bills, such as cable and internet, groceries, and things like that. So the first part we're going to look at is going to be figuring out your GPA, which is going to give you your degree. So you are going to look at your third quarter grades, and you are going to write them down. Do your connections as well. You're going to count how many A's, B's, C's, D's, and F's you have, and then each of those letters gives you a certain number of points, and this is actually how it's figured out in high school. So every A is 4 points, every B is 3 points, every C is 2 points, D's are 1 point, and F's are no points. So I had 4 A's, so I have 16 points total, 1 B, 3 points, 1 C, 2 points, and then no D's or F's, total of 21. You're going to take that and divide it by your 6 classes, and that's going to give you your GPA. Okay, and then you can look at which degree you would get, which it looks like I would actually have a doctorate, which is not accurate, but that's fine. So then you're going to go to this website, okay, and you are going to search a job that you are interested in. So for example, I put nurse, and then we live in Marietta, Georgia. And you're going to hit search. And then, it didn't work. Sorry. So put nurse in Marietta, Georgia. Okay. Keeps deleting nurse. So when you're typing, make sure you click something here. So I chose OR nurse. And then all you're going to look at is right here. Okay. And then down here, you can click your education based on which degree you had, which I had a master's. And then it will tell you your salary. Okay, so my salary would be $76,385. So then on my sheet, I would write that. 385, and that is your yearly salary, and that's all you're going to do for today's portion. Good luck!